Okay, so again, I have shown innovation and insight into displaying the magnetic field, which again, nobody else has. Nobody's come up with more ideas than the ones that God has given me over the past year. And yeah, right, that's on my mind right now, though. I've just left Patreon because it's all about money and I really can't deal with it. It's all too much for my little brain. So I've come off Patreon. I do apologise to the patron who paid $5 to see one video. If I can get that money back to you, I will. But no, it's just too much stress for me thinking about making money from stuff and separating scientifically from biblically. Basically, now I just going to keep making the videos, and they're going to be biblically and scientifically. I don't deal very well with stress. Kind of makes me be very quiet. So the easiest thing is to just keep making my free videos on YouTube. Everybody gets it for free. I thought the Lord was done with me for a minute there, but now, as you can see on screen, he's got me doing this kind of stuff, which I'm sure, I've only had it 2 days. I'm pretty sure I can do some more incredible things with it, at least for clarity and entertainment's sake, at least. Nice leaves. Anyway, so yes, again, this is just another set of videos showing that God is with me, and that I've been trying to visualize and show you what I've seen. And again, this is another wonderful representation of how double helix vortex to wave to Ouroboros torus sphere, or Ouroboros torus ring wave. This is an excellent example of showing magnetic fields on a surface of an electromagnetic object, which is what atoms are. They are classed as electrical and electromagnetic, yet you were taught about gravity and fusion, but that's not the point here. I'm just trying to show you things I've seen, and basically these are waves, and so the surface of an atom will have interference waves which crash into each other, which eventually will give a standing wave due to the pressure equalizing, and so you will get a geometric pattern on the surface, which is what I'm showing in an invention by some dude with a beard called a disgustoscope, and it gives a ball shape due to the angle of the mirrors that I have employed following his specifications. So this truly is like a 3D representation. So again, all thanks to God for giving me insight into different things. I used to run ahead and do things, and then I realised I'm being a bit of a Burke. That's why I came off Patreon and any other thing that I might be on. I just want to make some good videos showing what I've seen, showing you that double helix energy is in everything, and that everything I've said about the flower of life being everywhere, and that it has to be due to it being electricity and electromagnetism, and that's how it shapes everything from a heteromag standing wave, which is found in acoustics and water and all kinds of things that I've shown on video. Now I'm now playing around with magnets to get a decent configuration so that I can show you what truly is on all over the magnet and all over an atom. And our atmosphere is constructed like this as well. It's vortices all the way out, the sun, and anything else really that I've covered on video. So again, thanks to the Lord for giving me all this insight and for de-stressing me by making me get rid of Patreon, because I only came here to do this really. So I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. I haven't done this for my benefit. I'm not making any money from these videos. If I had 100,000 followers, maybe, but I don't. So, and it's not ever been about money for me. It's been about proving and showing to people who and what God is. You see, I didn't come to call the righteous. It's not what I did. It's not why I'm here. All you righteous people who are following Jesus already don't need this. God gave me this small scroll and opened it in my head so that everybody would understand that science is wrong. So all those who do not believe in God because of the supposed overwhelming evidence of science can now look at what I'm doing, because I've shown that all science is flawed fundamentally, because energy and matter are actually separate. Energy cannot be converted into anything else. It can only be moved from one thing to another. Einstein's equation E equals mc squared is massively incorrect, and I've shown this by my theory equation, which shows exactly the same theory, except my theory is in everything else, whereas E equals mc squared isn't in anything. Nothing at all. It doesn't add anything to science. So I've shown that energy and matter are separate by God's guidance and wisdom. And so I didn't come to call the righteous. So all the times that Christians keep attacking me, it's very sad, because I didn't come to call you. I came to show all the people who believe and have faith in the God of science are incorrect, because I've shown that all science is wrong and that double helix energy flow of vortex to wave is the only thing that happens, and that's how you get the symbol of the cross. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ, and I like doing these videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.